For months, the focus has been on the massive steel structure rising above Camp Nou. But now, some of the most noticeable changes are starting to happen in the areas fans will actually see on match days. From new facade installations to major progress on the compression ring and diamond structures, the stadium is beginning to reveal more of its final appearance. And some of today's developments could be among the clearest signs yet of how close certain sections are getting to completion. Compression ring progress reaches deep into the south stand. The transformation of Camp Nou continues at an impressive pace, with major progress visible across multiple sectors of the stadium. One of the most significant developments remains the expansion of the compression ring, which continues advancing steadily through the south stand. Another large section has now been integrated into the structure, with a major brace clearly connected to the radial beam system. Preparations are also underway for the installation of another radial beam, with its supporting column already positioned and ready. The compression ring has now extended deep into the south stand, reaching approximately the midpoint of the sector and bringing the future roof support system closer to completion. Major structural components continue to dominate the skyline. At the upper levels, construction crews remain active around the compression ring assembly. Workers continue carrying out alignment work, structural adjustments, and preparation tasks around the enormous steel components. The scale of the radial beams and braces remains remarkable, dominating the skyline above the stadium. Around the tower crane area, multiple structural elements are staged and ready for future lifting operations, while temporary support systems continue playing a key role in the assembly process. Progress also continues along the second cantilever, where several construction activities are advancing simultaneously. Newly completed wall sections built from concrete blocks now appear largely finished, giving the area a more defined appearance. Elevated work platforms remain active throughout the sector, supporting various installation and maintenance operations. Workers can also be seen carrying out cleaning and preparation work around the piston systems, ensuring that key structural components remain ready for future phases. Further along the cantilever, construction teams continue working around structural connections and support elements. Detailed work is underway around steel brackets and beam connections, while elevated platforms provide access to difficult-to-reach areas. Although no major new structures have appeared in this section, a considerable amount of progress is being achieved through numerous smaller installation and finishing tasks. Another important development can be seen around the mobility core facades. Workers continue preparing the support systems required for the future installation of exterior slats. Numerous anchors and mounting points are now visible, while protective safety netting has been installed below active work zones. Detailed alignment work continues across these structures, with crews carefully adjusting anchor positions to ensure perfect placement before facade installation begins. The diamond structures continue to be among the busiest and most important construction zones on site. Significant progress has already been achieved on several sections, including newly completed concrete work on key structural areas. Across the diamond structures, crews remain focused on reinforcement installation, formwork assembly, structural supports, and preparation work for future concrete pours. Large numbers of workers are distributed throughout these zones, highlighting their importance within the overall redevelopment project. Reinforcement work on one of the newest diamond structures has reached a particularly advanced stage. Formwork installation is nearing completion, and only limited areas still require preparation before concrete placement can begin. Based on current progress, another major concrete pour appears imminent. The amount of activity around these structures continues to demonstrate how rapidly this section of the project is moving forward. One of the most noticeable facade developments can be seen in the south stand, where slat installation has resumed after several days without visible progress. Elevated platforms are active above and below the installation zone, while newly lifted slats are carefully positioned into place. Several of the installed panels display the distinctive purple-toned finish that has become increasingly visible across different parts of the stadium. Only a small number of slats remain before this section reaches completion. As installation progresses, Workers are now concentrating on closing the final gaps within the facade system. Once these remaining elements are installed, attention can shift toward the lower sections where additional finishing work is still required. The completed sections are already providing a much clearer impression of how the finished exterior will ultimately appear. Despite progress elsewhere, the South Stand Mobility Core continues awaiting the installation of sandwich panels. Structurally, the area already appears highly advanced, yet enclosure work has not fully begun. Construction teams remain active inside the structure, carrying out finishing operations and preparation work while awaiting the arrival of additional cladding elements. Activity remains particularly intense throughout the lateral sector of the stadium. Tower crane operations continue moving materials between work zones, while crews focus heavily on the nearby diamond structures. Reinforcement installation, formwork preparation, structural assembly, and support work are all progressing simultaneously, creating one of the busiest construction environments currently visible around the stadium. The installation of facade anchors continues expanding across the mobility core structures. More support points are now visible than in previous updates, particularly in the most advanced sections. Workers are carefully preparing and treating these supports while maintaining precise alignment standards. These preparations are essential before the architectural slats can be installed, and the final exterior appearance begins taking shape. Another major milestone can now be seen in the North Goal area, where slat installation has officially begun. This sector had been prepared for several days with materials and equipment already in place, and workers have now started installing the first series of facade slats. The transformation is already becoming visible, as areas that previously displayed only structural elements are beginning to take on their finished architectural appearance. Rapid progress is also being achieved around the false ceiling system in the North Goal sector. A substantial number of slats have already been installed, creating a continuous visual surface beneath the structure. Elevated work platforms and crane-assisted operations continue supporting installation efforts, allowing crews to maintain a strong pace of progress throughout the area. The compression ring continues extending toward the northern sections of the stadium. Recently installed radial beams are now fully integrated into the expanding framework, while preparations continue for future connections. Each newly connected section strengthens the overall roof support structure and brings the project another step closer to completing one of its most important engineering achievements. Around the northern corner areas, construction activity remains focused on detailed finishing operations. Workers continue preparing support systems, applying protective coatings, and carrying out adjustments to structural elements that will eventually support the facade system. These activities, although less visually dramatic than major steel installations, remain critical to the overall quality and durability of the project. Attention is also turning toward the Tribune sector, where another important milestone has been reached through the installation of additional slat support structures. New support elements have been lifted into position and carefully aligned by construction crews. Elevated work platforms remain active throughout the area as workers integrate these new components into the existing support framework. Progress across the Tribune facade continues through a combination of support installation, alignment work, and finishing operations. Vertical connection elements linking the support structures are becoming increasingly visible, while additional preparation work continues across the sector. These developments are laying the foundation for future large-scale slat installation activities. Nearby mobility core sections are also advancing through the installation of sandwich panels. Workers operating from elevated platforms continue closing remaining gaps within the enclosure system. As these final panels are installed, these sections will begin to resemble their finished appearance and contribute to the growing visual transformation of the stadium. Overall, the transformation of Camp Nou continues on multiple fronts at once. The compression ring keeps expanding. Facade slat installation is progressing in both southern and northern sectors. Mobility core preparations are advancing. Sandwich panel installation is moving forward, and the diamond structures continue approaching new construction milestones. With structural, architectural, and finishing works all progressing simultaneously, the redevelopment maintains strong momentum and moves steadily closer to its next major stages of completion.